again, back with another vlog video, and I got my Lena and Josiah with me. What's that, Josiah?
Hi.
We are outside getting ready to play in the snow. It snowed this morning. We went to play in the snow for a little bit. Enjoy the snow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It snowed again. Even though it snowed already, I think it's the second time it snowed, right?
Yeah.
But it's not a lot of snow, but it's a little bit. But the last time was a lot of snow, right?
Yeah, it was good.
It was a whole lot of snow the last time. Then all the snow melted because last week it was like 50 degrees all last week. All the snow melted. Now the snow is right back. But I want to bring y'all along with us. Yeah, join us. Have a fun day in the snow, right?
Yeah.
But I ain't going to intro too long. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I never really been back here, y'all. But look at all these sticks. All these sticks are like a beaver live back here, right?
Yeah.
And I thought an animal did that, y'all. Lena said she did that, but I thought that was an animal. I was gonna say it's time to run, right? Yeah. And then it's a freeway right here.
Mommy, that was like a bear.
Yeah. That's what I said. It like had claws. Josiah ran to go get his gloves, so we just waiting on him to come back with his gloves. We out here in the snow. Got my boots on. And my mask, so I'm warm. Are you warm?
Yes.
Wow. There's a tree branch right here on the ground. Look at this tree.
Mom, I remember the summer we were back here.
Yeah, in the summer. I ain't never come back here. Oh, you only found one? You only found one glove. Here, you want mine? Here you go. You can use that one.
Dad, I'm gonna try to make a snowball.
You can make a snow angel. Make snow angels and have a snowball fight. I'm trying to make a snowball. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Josiah is making a snow angel. It's nothing but grass. There's a lot of grass though, it's not no snow.
Nothing.
What you see?
I see one.
Yeah, I think that's from his coat. Yeah, that's from his coat. It's not enough snow on the ground to make a snow angel. Oh gosh. And he made another snow angel over here somewhere. Right there. Look at that. That's it right there, because it's only grass.
Oh yeah.
It's only a little bit of grass. I mean, it's only grass, a little bit of snow. It's a lot of grass. Oh, careful. You trying to make a snowball? It's not even made. It's so thin.
I'm moving all the snow out the way.
Make a Lena got Crocs on. I don't know why she want to wear Crocs in the snow and not wear her Uggs. Right?
Yeah.
Wow. She's dancing.
Guys, I'm gonna try to make a snowball.
Lena look emu. What you call that? Oh my God.
Come on, Josiah.
Make a snowball. Oh, it's a whole lot of grass though. Look. It's not making nothing.
I tried to throw it at Josiah, but it went to his mom.
Because it's windy. Look, it's just crumbling up.
Yeah.
Go. Let's try to make another one. Oh.
Because when we had a lot of snow, I have made one.
Uh-huh. It's like this. Oh, it ain't none of your. It's some of your hair. A dead tree. That's a tree branch.
It looks like it has spikes.
Oh, yeah, it's like came from like a pine cone.
Yeah.
We can see the moon. Look at the moon, y'all. The moon is out. You can see the moon a little bit.
Yeah.
Like clouds. It's still snowing. There's a little bit of snow coming down. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's snow. A little bit of snow. Yeah, I like that. I like how the clouds look and the sunset. Look at the trees. Look how tall the trees is. Y'all, if y'all watch the movie Trolls on Netflix, that one of the trolls came from out of the mountains into the trees too. Oh my God, that's what it looked like.
We're not
It's a
talking
good
about
movie.
for the kids trolls. We're talking about the other trolls.
Yeah, the trolls with the monster trolls. How big the trees is. Look at that one. The sunset is nice.
Well, I mean, we saw the tree. It was so scary.
Really, where at?
But
Oh wow. You got a mask on. Lena, you dancing?
okay, guys, we're back in the house, and we are about to end this video. If you like to be like, bye.